Let me ask you a question. What are you doing Monday, December 30th at 1 p.m. Central Time? If you're not doing anything, I'm going to get together with a group of people and we're going to have a little goal setting session. Now, it's going to be different than anything you've ever done before. We're going to actually sit there and I'm going to want you to get a pen and a paper and we're going to actually write down some goals. I've learned from the best, and why this is going to be really beneficial for you is you're probably not doing anything on the 30th, and you got to get some goals done for 2025. Now, what makes me a little bit special is I've learned from the very best on goal setting. I sat down with college students, well, actually one college student, helped him set a goal to graduate and qualify for the PGA Tour before he graduates. And that happened. I've helped a lot of business owners get their businesses to multi-million-dollar businesses. I've helped addicts and alcoholics get to where they've stopped drinking forever. I've helped people get to that point of running the triathlon or running the half marathon or any sort of a thing that has to do with goals. And it always starts with goals and writing them down and clarifying them and being specific and measurable and all that fun stuff. But it's fun, and we can have a little bit of a good time on a Zoom call setting goals. So all you need to do is go to the link below, click that link, and you're going to have only one day that you can sign up for the goals and only one time. So it's 1 o'clock on Monday the 30th, and it's a goal setting workshop. Register because it's going to fill up really fast. All you need is a pen and paper, an open mind, and I'm going to walk you through some really cool goal setting techniques. By the time we get done, you'll have great goals for 2025. You can refine them all you want, but you can check that off the box and say you're done with it. Thanks, and I hope to see you on the 30th at 1 p.m.